What causes refrigerant leaks? Refrigerant leaks happen when small holes or cracks form somewhere in your air conditioner's coils, tubing, or connections, letting the cooling gas escape slowly over time, usually because of corrosion, physical damage, or seals and fittings that have worn out with age. Think of your air conditioner like a bicycle tire that has a slow leak. You cannot always see the hole, but air just keeps sneaking out little by little. The same thing happens with refrigerant, except instead of air, it is a special gas that helps make your home cold. One thing most people do not know is that a lot of these leaks are actually caused by something called formicary corrosion, which happens when tiny amounts of acid from household cleaners, paint fumes, or even candles react with the copper coils and create pinhole-sized leaks that are almost invisible to the eye. This process can take months or even years before you notice your home is not cooling properly. The best way to catch it early is to have a technician check your system with a special leak detector once a year, kind of like a yearly checkup for your unit. Catching it early can save you from bigger repair bills down the road. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming that low refrigerant just means it is time to add more, but refrigerant does not get used up like gas in a car, so if the level is low, there is always a leak somewhere that needs to be found and fixed first. Another misconception is thinking a small leak is not a big deal, but even a tiny leak can force your system to work harder, which raises your energy bill and can damage the compressor, so it is smart to get it checked as soon as you notice weak cooling. A lot of people also do not realize that refrigerant leaks can release harmful chemicals into the air in your home, so it is worth being highly aware of unusual smells or hissing sounds and calling a professional right away instead of waiting. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.